Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone. We are from Group 4, Session 2 Wing. My name is called Zixing, and here is the list of our team. So the first one is me, Zixing, Jasmine, Amma, Ali, and Muhammad. So this is a table of contents. And for the introduction, it will be done by Jasmine.
Okay, so here I will be the one explaining what is reviewable. So reviewable is a comprehensive code review tool that is fully integrated with GitHub. It is thorough, efficient, and also focused. So what it means by thorough is that it tracks where participants stand on each discussion and ensure that it won't disappear until resolved. And then it is efficient because it showed net details, delta since the last time you looked, even if commits get rebased or amended. And it is focused because it works only with GitHub and GitHub Enterprise, making for a seamless integration. Next. So this is how you register and authorize GitHub reviewable in GitHub. So you can see when you open reviewable, there's a sign in with GitHub sign, and then you can click that button, and then it will. But first, you will have to sign in GitHub first, and then after you click the sign in with GitHub, you will see this. You will be directed into the reviewable page, which is like this. This is the dashboard. So next, code review will be done by my friend.
So next for the code review, after being logged in, and the website will redirect to this page, which has 3 sections, which is file, which can review the file, and then revision can do the revision of the file, and then the commit who done the review the file. Next. After finish review the files, you can publish the comment or approve the merging or request changes. To merge the pull request, click and hold the button for a couple of seconds until the aiming indicator fill with yellow, and start pushing, and then release. This produce is in peaceful to reduce the chances of accidentally merging to a pull request without requesting confirmation. Next, code review files. So for the code review files is that for the revision cell, it shows how the file has been reviewed, and on the bottom which is the file matrix that shows where does the file been reviewed. Next.
Yeah, and I will explain a bit about the mark as reviewed. So after you post your repository in you pull a repository from GitHub in reviewable, you can see your status. If it is already reviewed, it will be green. The I button will be green. So you can click on the I button, and then it will turn green. Or if it's not reviewed yet, you can click on the the I button, and it will turn red. So red basically means that the file has not been reviewed yet, and green is that it has been reviewed. And you just have, if to make it green or red, you just have to click on the I button, and then it will switch. Next.
Okay, next for the code review discussion. Okay, here we are starting a new discussion. So you can click at the start a new discussion. Next. Okay, here is the discussion part. Okay, you can see here, you can tag someone that you want to mention, and you can tell them what to do, and you can publish. You also can upload a media file like MP4 picture to explain in detail to them. Okay, next. Okay, here you can see you can put comment and discussion at the line, in the code line, where is there something that need to be repaired or need to be done correctly. Okay, next. Okay, here is if you can see on the picture that you need to do what do you need to do in the comment section. Is the issue is being discussed? Has it been informed, or someone is working on it? You can mark it using this. If it in a blocking mode, you cannot do any comment on this part. Okay, next. Okay, that's all for my part. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, so for the review and dashboard. So in order to view the review and the dashboard, so the user can click the review button at the top of the page to display the review list. So this one. So the review order will automatically update list at least once per minute. So there's no need to reload the page. It's easy for the user. So now the PRs are sorted into groups order from most to the least relevant. The user are not able to change the sort order, but can filter the list from the drop-down menu in the panel's header. So the picture is showing the example of the drop-down menu. So as you can see, you can click for the comments, approve request changes, or sync requests. Just depends on the situations. So now this one is for the review state. So in which each review in the listing indicates the state of the review in more or less real time. The author of the PR is shown first, and the people whose attention the review currently needs to the right of these numbers. So you can see the approval status icons for any reviewer, which will also appear with the red circle buttons. If the review is waiting on those reviewers, you also see a summary, current milestones, and labels if there's got there. So now let's go for the repositories.
Okay, I will explain about repositories. Next. Okay, the repositories page so all of your repo lists from GitHub to reviewable. So this page connect reviewable to GitHub repository and just the connection setting. Next. So here you can change the permission setting for the repository that is displayed in reviewable. So you can see the status of the repository. Next. Okay, for the status for repositories, there are three status. The first is black. Repository is disconnect, so does not automatically connect to review for the review. Next is green. The review is connect and healthy, so have reviewable automatically create and update review. And the last is the red status. The red status is repo was not connected, but the connection is no loss. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments.